Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll discuss about the morphological of flowering plants, the fruit part. After a gynoecium, we'll coming to the fruit. Fruit is it is the very characteristic feature of the flowering plant. Due to this feature, angiosperms are the flowering plants in which ovary develop into. So it is a mature ripened ovary developed after the fertilization. When without fertilization it is formed. If the fruit is formed, then it is known as the parthenocarpic fruit. So generally fruit consists of the three parts: pericarp, epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Pericarp may be dry or fleshy. When the pericarp is thick and fleshy, it is differentiated into outer one is epicarp and the middle is mesocarp and the inner is the endocarp. So we can see in different fruits, in coconut and mango, the fruit is known as drupe. It develops from the monocarpally, means single carp in superior ovaries and one seeded. In the mango, the pericarp is differentiated into outer thin epicarp, middle fleshy edible mesocarp and the inner stony hard endocarp. In the coconut, which is also a drupe, the mesocarp is fibrous. See, in the coconut, the inner one is known as the water is known as free nuclear. It is very good in nutritious and the white color part is known as it is a pulpy in nature, can able to eat it, and the outer side it is known as the stony part it contains. And coming to the seeds, the ovules after fertilization it develops into seeds. Ovules develops into seeds and it is made up of the different kinds of layer of seeds, seed coat and the embryo. So embryo is developed from the radical embryonic axis and one seed is present, it is a monocotyledon, whereas it contains the two seeds, it is a dicotyledon. Monocotyledon is seen in the wheat and maize, dicotyledon is seen in gram and pea plant. Coming to the structure of the dicotyledon, it has the outer part seed coat, and seed coat consists of the two layers. Outer one is testa and the inner one is a tegmen. So the hilum is a scar on the seed coat through developing the seeds which are attached to the fruit. So above the hilum part, here we can see that this is the hilum. So above the hilum part, micropyle end is present. This is the micropyle, this is the seed coat. So within the seed coat in the embryo consists of the embryonal axis and two cotyledons. The cotyledons are fleshy and full reserved food material. At the end, two ends of the embryonal axis are present, that is a radical and a plumule. In some seeds, castor endosperm is the result of the double fertilization, which means food storing tissue are called as endospermic seeds in plants such as bean, gram and pea. When the endosperm is not present in mature seeds, then it is known as the non-endospermous seed. Coming to the structure of the monocotyledon, it is very important diagrammatic question. Questions may be asked for the NEET and NCET. Only the diagrammatic representation only, it shows the parts, which part belongs to the name and matching will be asked. So here we will discuss. Monocotyledon is endospermic, but in some are non-endospermic. What is endospermic and non-endospermic? Endospermic means endosperm is persistent, which means present in it. Non-endospermic, endosperm is does not present. In seeds of the cereal such as seed coat is membrane and generally fused with cell wall. So endosperm is bulky and stores food material. The outer covering of the endosperm separates the embryo. Proteinous layer is aileron layer and embryo is small and situated at the groove of the end. So it consists of the very large shield shaped cotyledon is known as the scutellum. The short axis is a pinnule and a radicle. When the pinnule and radicle are enclosed in sheath is known as coleoptile and coleorhiza. So here we can see this is the endosperm. That is endosperm. This is endosperm. It is a scutellum. It is a radicle, which means the root part. It is a pinnule and it develops into a coleoptile. It is develops into a coleorhiza. So here the outside of the fruit wall seed coat, and this layer is known as like this. It's showing ulnar layer. This is the endosperm and the embryo. So we're coming to the technical parts of the. In next video we'll discuss about the technical description of the flowering plants of the based on these technical parts only. There are different types of the families like Solanaceae, Fabaceae and Liliaceae remaining all there, but three major important families are these. Next video we'll discuss about this. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.